morning guys, this is Julian and Neighbornoza, and today I'm going to demonstrate to you guys on how to join a class and create a class on Google Classroom. But before that, let's open the Play Store. If you're going to use Android phone, search Google Classroom. Okay, there you go. I'll just zoom in. Then click to open. And there you go. So wait. As you can see, I have 3 classroom. So there you go. So I just created this earlier. So let's start creating classroom. So just click that plus button on the lower side. Then create class. Then class name, you can just put grade, section, room, subject, and yeah, class name. Grade 12 ICT. Section gates. Let's just capitalize it. Room 204. And for subject ICT. Okay, let's just wait for a moment. Okay, come on. Run. Excuse me. So there you go. So we have here. So as you can see on the upper right side, settings, about, the title, description, the general, and you can copy the class code, invitation link. Just click the class code and the invitation link, and it automatically copy. And there you go. Then, excuse me. Copy the link, then save, and let's proceed to the classwork. As you can see, there's no classwork yet, so let's click the plus button, and you can see the create assignment question, the material, reuse post, topics. So if you're going to have an assignment, you can just click those. And for the title, let's say, it also has this point value. You can just put or personalize it. Okay, 50 points. Due date is 13. Let's say 13. The topic is ICT. Okay, ICT. For the title, what is ICT? Okay, so what is ICT? Excuse me. For the description, it is also optional. If you're going to have some follow-up questions, clarifications, you just can put directly in the description box. You have clarification, follow-up questions. Okay, we're done. So if you're going to add some attachments or links, or going to show your students some videos, you can just put the link on there, add link. Then after putting some link, just click the add button. There you go. Then you can just save it or send. Okay, there you go. It appears on our classwork, and you can just I forgot to put the question mark, but I can't edit it. So anyway, so we have here the student work. You can see the students who are done, who ended in their assignments. So as far as I know, there's no student yet because it's just created a while ago. And then there. And now let's have the... Oh, by the way, you can just also share your thoughts or your etiquette, or you can just have, or you can also put, for example, you're going to have a Google Meet. You can just put the link there, or invitation link, then just put that this would be the link that we're going to use for the entire semester. And yeah, just send it, and it will automatically appear on your stream. Excuse me. So yeah. So what is, I really forgot the question mark. So let's proceed to the people. So as you can see, teachers and the students. So I'm the teacher. I mean, the JB blog is a teacher and I am the student. So okay. You can also put the email address of your the recipient. But as far as I've experienced earlier, I tried to invite my other account, but then it popped up on my notification that unknown user is inviting you to join this class. So when I click that notification, it does not appear. The class does not appear. So the best way for this is to just click the invitation link and just copy the link or the code itself, and you can just disseminate it to your students so that they can enter your class. Excuse me. Okay, there's no students yet, and JB Bog was this teacher. Okay, so I'm done giving you demonstrations on how to join a class, how to make an assignments, activities, quizzes, and now let's have my other account for me to join the class that we've made earlier. So just click the plus button to join class, then just paste the code. Okay, then there you go, join. Finally, I just copied the link, and there, just a few seconds, around 20 seconds, I think, and there you go, you're just in your class, and you can see the new assignment, and there, you can also add private comment and add attachment if you're going to use some Google Docs, Google Slides. Yeah, you can just add comment if you have some concerns or clarifications about a certain assignment on your add private. Your teacher can see your add private as well, and you can choose the file, link, drive that you're going to use to attach on your assignment. So for example, you're going to have a link. You can just put it there, add the link or the URL, then click the add. You can also use the drive, the files. Okay, so with attachment, and here is my files. As you can see, videos, images, audio, downloads, and there. And for my drive, this is my drive. Okay, wait. So there, share it. My drive, this is my drive. So there, the methodology, trainer's methodology, and whatsoever. Okay, if you're done attaching your file, you can just click the submit or the mark as stand. Since I don't have any file that I attach, so I just click the mark as stand so that you can see what happened next. So that's it. You have the unsubmit and handed in. So if you put the wrong file, you can just really unsubmit it and just take some notes or inform your teacher that you unsubmit it because you put the wrong file due to logginess of your laptop or whatsoever. You can just inform her or him, and there you go. You just handed it. You're done. You're done doing your assignment. You're done passing it. You just pass it on time. And yeah, it's quite easy to use this app. It's not more techy. It's very understandable. So here in the people, you can see the teachers. It's a JB blog, and you can see the students, because you're just the first one. You're the first student who joined the class. So here, I think we're done. I've done giving you on how to join the class. I'm done demonstrating, rather. I'm done demonstrating on how to join the class, how to create the class, how to submit, how to attach the files, the links, how to how to attach the files to submit your answers. Yeah, how to join the class, how to invite students, how to copy the link or the code, and how to paste it. And all you need to do is whenever you're going to create a class, just click the code and just disseminate it on your messenger or line, WeChat, whatsoever, that whatever app that you use, you can just really use it and to disseminate to disseminate the link. So I hope you really learned a lot of knowledge today. That will be all. God bless.